Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor backs, comfort box for extra storage, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 31,137 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.